Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to look at the proof of the various Boolean algebra theorems and postulates that we had listed in the previous section. So these are the postulates and the theorems. So we are going to prove these theorems. So let us start with the first very simple one, that is x plus x is equal to x. Okay. So let me start with this side first. Let me start with x plus x. So x plus x, I can write it as x plus x dot 1. Okay. Since x dot 1 is equal to x, this was our x plus 1 is equal to x. X dot 1 is equal to x. This is our postulate 2b. This is 2b. Okay. Then can I write this as x plus x, then this 1 I'll write it as x plus x dash, x plus x dash. This is postulate 5a. What is the postulate? X plus x dash is equal to 1. So in place of 1 I have written x plus x dash. Then can I write this as x plus x x dash, x plus x x dash. Okay, this is by postulate 4, postulate number 4b. So 4b, what does it say? X plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. So according to this postulate, this part is equal to this part. Here our x is x, y is also x, and z is x dash. So I can write it like this. Then I can write x plus x x dash is equal to 0. X x dash is equal to 0, which is our postulate 2a. 2a, because x x dash is sorry, this is our postulate 5b. 5b. So x x dash is equal to 0 according to this root. And finally, x plus 0, that is our postulate 2a is equal to x. What is our postulate 2a? X plus 0 is equal to x. So we can say that x plus x is equal to our x. So this is proof of this particular theorem. That is x plus x is equal to x. This is theorem 1. All right. Then we have theorem 1 has its dual. The dual of theorem 1 is x dot x is equal to x. So this also can be proved in the same way. Or what you can do is you can prove this, you can give this proof, and then you can say by the principle of duality, okay, x dot x is equal to x. Okay, or you can prove the whole thing in a different step. Like I can write it like this, just the dual, every step would be its dual. So x dot x is equal to x. This is what I have to prove. Okay, so I'll start with x dot x. So I'll write like this, x dot x plus 0. Earlier, what I had used x plus x is x plus x of dot 1. So I'm just using the dual of it. Okay. So here what I'll do now, x plus x So this was what? First one I had used 2a. Here I have used 5b. If you recall, in the previous derivation, I had used 2b and 5a. 2b, here I had used 2b, and here I had used 5a. Then this I can expand it as like this, x plus x dash using 4a. All right. Again, in the previous example, I had used 4b. Now this I can write as x dot 1, since x plus x dash is equal to 1 by 5a. Okay. Earlier I had used 5b. And this is equal to x. This is by 2b. Again, earlier I had used 2a. So this is proved. So you can see that every step, if here I'm using 2a, to prove its dual, I have to use the other opposite postulate. I have to use 2b. I'm using 5b here, I would have to use 5a here. Okay, and so on. Every step I will be using its dual. That is why you can write it once, you can prove once, and then you can say by the principle of duality, the dual is also true. So this is for your theorems with number 1a and 1b. The same way you can prove theorem 2, theorem 3, and so on. Let me take theorem 6. Okay, let me take theorem 6. 6a. Theorem 6a. What is 6a? 6a says x plus xy is equal to x. X plus xy is equal to x. So 6a was our absorption theorem. Absorption theorem. So how do we prove this? Let us start with the left hand side, x plus xy. So I can write it as x dot 1 plus xy. Okay. This is by 2b. What is 2b? X dot 1 is equal to x. So in place of x, I can replace x by x plus x dot 1. Okay. Then I can write this as x 1 plus y. Okay. This is which postulate? This is our postulate. That is 4a. This is our postulate 4a. So postulate 4a is the distributive property. Distributive. And then we have, I can write it as x into y plus 1, okay, which is postulate 3a, commutative, okay, postulate 3a is our commutative postulate. 1 plus y is equal to y plus 1. Then can I write this as x? Okay. Why can I write it as x dot 1? X dot 1, one more step here. X dot 1, that means y plus 1, I'm writing it as 1. Why? Based on theorem now 2a. Based on theorem 2a. X plus 1, theorem 2a. What is theorem 2a? X plus 1 is equal to 1. So here y plus 1 is equal to 1. and x dot 1 is equal to x, which is our postulate 2b. 2b, x dot 1 is equal to 1. X dot 1 is equal to x. So I have this is equal to this, hence proved. So this is theorem number 6a. So in this way, you can prove all the other theorems that you have. Similarly, you can also prove by using truth tables. So let us be very quickly, let me put this x, the same for the dual of the previous one, that is x dot x plus y is equal to x. Okay, so I will have x and y are the variables here. I will have x plus y, and then I will have x into x plus y. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, because there are two values, 0 and two variables, x and y. So I'll have 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possible options. So if I have n variables, I will have 2 to the power n options, combinations. All right, so let us see this, x or y. So x or y, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then x into x or y, x into x or y. So this and this, this and this. So 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0 is 0. Oh, sorry, 1, 1. I'm making a mistake here. Sorry, not this one. 1, 1. So 1, 1 is 1, and then x and x or y, this is a 1. So now you see, isn't this column equal to this column, same as this column? Yeah. So I can say that this is equal to x. So if these columns are same, then this is proved. So this is proof by using the truth table. So this, remember, this is not exactly a proof, it is a verification. This is a verification. We are verifying that this statement is actually true. So that is all about proof of some of the theorems. The rest, I think, you can try on your own to prove the duals. Okay, start from the dual from one and then prove the dual. Okay, so these are the various algorithms. These are the various theorems and postulates of Boolean algebra.